Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Ruslan YouTube channel, and in today's episode, I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of a tour, not a home tour, but more of just like a studio tour. I actually had someone in my last video, or a couple of my last videos, ask me exactly what I use for my YouTube studio and kind of like give you like a little tour. So I'm not going to share with you like all my equipment stuff and whatever. I'll just put that in the description below as far as what I use for my equipment, but I'll just give you a little tour, like a little home YouTube studio tour for what I use. Here we go. I'm going to walk you right directly into the YouTube studio, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I just had a few people ask, so I thought I would just throw this up there as a quick little video just to kind of share with you guys what it is that I use to kind of record and what my surroundings are. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So as soon as you walk into the studio, you can see here, I have my bookshelf here. Honestly, I just come in here, turn on that lamp, and boom, you know, I just reset all of my books and stuff. So it looks good now. I don't think it looked as good in my previous videos as it does now. There's a company that won a really cool award, and this is the company that does these lights, Hexion. Go check them out. Boom, we have our studio set up, which also, I do have the light here, which I just set up. There we have that. And then we have the Money Lisa, I think it was called, the Money Lisa, pretty cool. That is actually a whiteboard. I just have it flipped around because there's some secret information there. I don't want to spoil too much. It's just an upcoming video that I have planned. So there you have that. There's me in the mirror, a little workout studio, just some weights. This bag has some of those like cable pulley things, whatever they're called, bands, I think they're called. Anyway, workout bands. So we have those, bada bing, bada boom. And then I also have this, which is funny. So I actually got this thing for the swivelly chair that I have over here, right? And so I used to have it down on the carpet because it doesn't move very well. You know, if I try to slide around, it doesn't really slide around. So I got this thing to help it slide around. But unfortunately, I didn't do the measurements right. I was off by like half an inch, maybe half a centimeter, something stupid. And it didn't fit in between here. So I ended up moving it from there to there. And now I use it as a secondary whiteboard. So I have like this whiteboard for like the title of the video, so I can like kind of remind people, you know, here's the title of the video, and then boom, I have this as kind of like my flow sheet. So I'll actually sometimes when I do whiteboard Wednesdays, I'll actually have my flow sheet over here so I can just kind of talk to the camera. And then also this little contraption is actually a camera tripod with one of these on here. For those of you guys that don't know what this is, I'm gonna show you. It's right here. It's called a Pivo. I have the box here for it, and there's some other gadgets in here too that you can use. I got this for a Christmas gift not too long ago, and I absolutely love it. It's kind of like just another tripod, which I have the main one over here, but this is just the secondary one. If I want to do like, you know, second perspective, which I just got a second camera, so I can do the second perspective stuff here. So you're gonna start seeing, you know, one from this angle. I'm sure you guys know, if you guys watch my videos, you guys see this angle a lot. But you're also gonna get hopefully something like this angle from time to time, because I did set up some of that part of the studio a long time ago, and I would love to get a perfect shot like this. Obviously the chair will be turned there, but it's kind of like a side shot, so I'm not directly looking into the camera, kind of more of like a documentary style type video. It's so funny, actually, notice how like all these books are like lined up super neat, and like even like a little bit in kind of color format. I didn't even care about these books because they don't show up in the shop, but now I'm thinking, now that you guys saw it, I kind of want to redo those too. But anyway, I don't care. That's whatever. Books are books, right? Whatever. So this is the setup. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. It's pretty easy to set up. I think I ended up spending a total of maybe 500. I mean, some of this stuff I already had lying around. Like I had the microphone from like ages ago, that blue microphone. I actually don't really even use that. Funny enough, I just use the iPhone microphone that I set up here, you know, on the tripod. And I should probably use it. I don't know. Maybe it's better, maybe it's worse. I don't know. But that I had lying around, the Asus monitor I had lying around, the webcam I've had for years, and I also still just don't use it. So I'm probably gonna sell it or something. I don't know. Printer, really important. You know, I keep my Epic Freedom Journal here, so I can write things down if I'm feeling super inspired, you know, to get things done. And then boom, I have my books. I just actually ordered a few copies of both of those just so I can have some extra. And you guys, if you want to see my view, just other apartments, nothing too crazy. And then whiteboard, I'll just give you a clock up there. I'll give you 360. And this is a closet, if you guys are wondering. This is just a closet. I have some weights in there and some just some stuff for winter and spring and whatever. So anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.